Even though English has emerged as an essential language for jobs, more than one foreign language is gradually demanding similar importance in the job environment. Knowing one or two foreign languages is proving to be extremely profitable, especially in the multinational companies. MNCs are more and more looking for talent who has impressive communication skills in not only English but also in languages like German, Korean, French, and more. Hence, learning one of these languages, which are foreign, opens up fantastic placement opportunities in non-English speaking countries. In this video, we will discuss the languages, their possibilities, courses, and where you can learn. Why do you need to learn a foreign language? Being the third fastest growing economy in the world, India is expected to expand her business and bilateral trade relations with many countries across Europe, America, Latin America, and Asia in the coming years. Consequently, most of the Indian businesses are looking for new business opportunities in sectors like manufacturing, BPO, pharmaceuticals, hospitality, IT, etc., that they plan to establish in region-specific consumer markets. As a result, knowing a foreign language has become an essential criteria for employment opportunities in the MNCs. For example, learning French opens up career possibilities to work for the developed French-speaking countries like France, Canada, Switzerland, and Belgium. Similarly, learning German can open up rich career possibilities in MNCs and other job fields in Germany, which has one of the most profitable job markets in the world and is known to be a leader in science, technology, and education sectors. Job prospects after learning a foreign language. Learning a foreign language opens up the gate of career possibilities across a variety of fields and sectors. However, the type of job often depends upon the academic qualification and the proficiency level of the candidate. The most common sectors of job include tourism, education, diplomatic services, entertainment, embassies, public relations, mass communication, publishing, MNCs, and more. After learning a foreign language, you can find jobs such as teacher, translator or transcriptionist, interpreter, writer, HR/PR, human resources, public relations, journalist, and the list goes on. It is important to remember here that the job roles are completely dependent on your proficiency level. That is, if you are a beginner, then finding a job in the education sector is nearly impossible. You will require a higher and a very proficient grasp of the language to teach. Similarly, being a translator or interpreter often demands a proficient level of knowledge of the language. After completing a beginner's course in your preferred language, you can opt for enrolling in a higher level of the course, or you can find employment in mass communications, public relations, etc. The salary ranges of the individuals working as foreign language professionals is quite attractive, but varies greatly according to their specific work, position, and organization. For example, PR or marketing department professionals working in MNCs can earn around 30,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per month. Translators can earn about 250 rupees to 500 rupees per page, while an interpreter is generally paid on an hourly basis, earning around 2,000 to 4,000 rupees per hour. Teachers and other professionals in the education sector can earn a salary of 20,000 rupees per month but can differ as per the academic pay scale. Foreign languages that have incredible career scopes: French, German, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and Spanish. Foreign language courses that you can do. Learning a foreign language by enrolling yourself into a credible course can be the most beneficial. This guide will help you to choose the type of foreign language course that suits you the best. Type 1. Full-time degree program. The full-time degree course from colleges and universities will help you get a more intensive grasp over the language. This type of course is more academic. Type 2. Certificate and diploma programs. Enrolling in a certificate or diploma course in a foreign language will help you master the basics of the language. These courses will not take up too much time and will enable you to enhance your communication skills in the language. Type 3. Embassy foreign language courses. These types of courses are provided by the cultural centers of different foreign embassies and focus more on cultural exchange. These courses will significantly help you to develop an understanding of the respective country's cultural assets. It can be extremely beneficial for jobs in human resources and other related departments of the MNCs. Type 4. Online courses. Online courses offer flexible and beneficial modules in foreign languages. By enrolling in an online foreign language course, you can learn about the basics of the language and develop communication skills as per your specific requirements and schedules. Where can you learn foreign languages online? Here we are listing down 5 online websites and applications that offer flexible foreign language courses that you can master within months. Check out the websites through their links in the description box. Number 1. Duolingo. Duolingo is one of the leading language learning websites and applications that is helpful as well as fun and addictive. It has different language modes starting from the beginner's level. It offers 98 foreign language courses in 38 languages and has over 300 million registered users across the world. Number 2. Open Culture. Open Culture offers a total of 48 language options to learn and helps you to quickly pick up skills in popular languages like French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, and Mandarin. The best thing about Open Culture is that the portal provides numerous resources like downloadable contents, often including free MP3 materials. Number 3. LiveMocha. LiveMocha offers you free access to lessons in 35 languages. It helps you to hone your language skills through its vibrant community of native language speakers from 190 countries that you can connect with and practice. Number 4. Babbel. With Babbel, you can learn to read, write, and speak in 40 new languages including French, German, Swedish, Portuguese, Turkish, and more. It helps you to develop your language skills through its various level courses structured. While you can access the beginner courses absolutely for free, you can upgrade to a paid time if you choose for more professional levels. Number 5. Busuu. Busuu is another popular platform that has over 50 million native language users worldwide. It has a unique language learning approach that makes it more fun, informative, and useful. With Busuu, you become a part of a social community where you get to learn foreign languages from other speakers. Hope this video helped you develop an insight into the job opportunities when you learn a foreign language. Learning these languages is even better if you have a natural inclination towards learning a new language. To build a career in a foreign language requirement, you still need English language skills. If you are looking to learn English language communication skills, career and job skills, and all 21st century skills in one place at an affordable price, then check our monthly plans and annual certificate program.
Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.